Hi guys, today I will show you how to program door windows on McLaren 720S, and you can see when I press the passenger button, the driver window rolling down. If I press driver, nothing, but this guy, it works. We use Leonardo, we go into door module left. Okay, I believe adaptation and coding, window calibration right there. Let's press this button. Okay, and start. Battery charge, connect. Okay, okay. Now what? Start. Yes. Okay. Let's read. Maybe we have some trouble code. Okay. Error. We have this left side window switch pack incorrect component install. Okay, error, delete. We will see if that code is come back. Okay, go into adaptation and coding again. Yes, we choose first because let's try the window calibration. I think they kick us over because it's losing. No, see? Okay, no. Okay. Alignment vehicle configuration. Okay. Start. Okay. Now we just write the correct configuration for that door window switch. And then I think we have some luck. We'll see. Okay, turn key off. I turn ignition off. Okay, please wait. Okay, ignition on. Okay. Okay, procedure complete. Okay, now it's time for window calibration. Start. Okay. Okay. Nice. Now it's start calibrate window. Procedure complete. Nice. And see, now it's everything works. This is drive and passenger side. Here is this function from Leonardo. Now it's actually not only calibrated, we do alignment vehicle configuration to write correct configuration for that window switch module, because this is used for left and right. Now actually our job is complete. One more happy customer.